Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to open a Honda Insight key fob. First, gather your essential tools, a small flathead screwdriver and a fresh CR1616 battery. Make sure your workspace is clean and well lit to prevent losing any tiny components. Locate the small slot or indentation on the side of your key fob casing. This is where we will begin the process. Now, carefully insert the tip of your flathead screwdriver into that small slot you located. With gentle, steady pressure, twist the screwdriver slightly. You should feel the two halves of the key fob casing begin to separate. Take your time and avoid forcing it, as this can damage the plastic. The goal is a smooth, controlled separation. Once the fob is open, you will see the old battery. Carefully remove it, paying close attention to its orientation. The positive side, usually marked with a plus sign, typically faces upwards. Now, insert your new CR1616 battery, ensuring the positive side is correctly positioned. This step is crucial for proper function. With the new battery in place, it's time to reassemble your key fob. Carefully align the two halves of the casing. Press them together firmly until you hear a satisfying click, indicating they are securely fastened. Finally, test all the buttons on your key fob to confirm everything is working correctly. You've successfully opened and serviced your key fob.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.